Imagine being 14 years old. You wake up one morning in your father's house, safe, loved, educated, and by evening, you are property. Not a daughter, not a person, property. This was China, 638 AD, the Tang dynasty, one of the most powerful empires the world had ever seen. And at the center of that empire sat a man who owned everything. His palace had 3,000 women inside it. 3,000. Each one brought from her home, each one given a number, a rank, a purpose. And on this day, a 14-year-old girl named Wu Zhao walked through those palace gates. Her mother wept as she left. But Wu Zhao did not cry. She turned to her mother and said, "How do you know this is not my fortune?" No one in that palace knew her name. No one thought they ever would. Wu Zhao was not like the other girls in that palace. She had grown up differently. Her father, a wealthy merchant, believed in something radical for his time. He believed his daughter deserved an education. While other girls learned to sew and stay silent, Wu Zhao learned to read, to write, to understand history, politics, literature. Every political meeting, every court decision, every power struggle between officials. She was learning, not how to survive, how to rule. And one day, Emperor Taizong noticed her, not for her beauty, not for her silence, for her words. A horse had come to the stable, and then, without warning, everything changed. The emperor fell ill, and Wu Zhao's world collapsed overnight. When Emperor Taizong died in 649 AD, the palace gates closed on Wu Zhao forever. This was the law. But Wu Zhao had not come this far to disappear. The new emperor, Gaozong, was Taizong's own son. And he had not forgotten Wu Zhao. They had met before. Secretly, inside the palace, through intelligence, through patience, through a will that 11 years in a convent could not break. And now, as Empress, Wu Zhao moved fast. Emperor Gao, but China, under her hand, was thriving. Trade was growing. Borders were expanding. The people were fed. She was 65 years old, and she had just become the most powerful person on earth. This is what happens when a woman holds power.